Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. Today's story title is The Wallet. Once upon a time, there was an ill-natured merchant who had lost his purse at the market with 800 gold coins in it. He looked everywhere trying to find it and asked everyone if they had seen it, but he couldn't find it, nor had anyone seen it. Then he hired a town crier who announced that she would give 100 gold pieces as reward to anyone who found the wallet. A man known as Veli the Shoemaker found the lost purse. He was a very honest man. He decided to keep the purse until he could find its owner. When he heard the town crier making an announcement, he went to the trader and gave the purse back. The trader was not only ill-natured, he was also stingy and a liar. He was happy that his purse had been found, but he did not reveal this to Veli. He opened the purse and started to count his money, saying, "Oh, I see you have already taken the money I had promised as a reward." Veli took hold of the merchant's lapels and shook him. "How dare you? Yes, I am poor, but I am not a thief or a scoundrel. You don't have to give me the money you promised. But do not accuse me of stealing your money." When the merchant did not retract his accusation, they both ended up in court. After listening to both sides, the judge realized the merchant was lying. He decided to give him a heavy punishment. The merchant says 100 gold liras were taken from his purse, yet the shoemaker says that he did not take any money. I believe both parties. I guess the purse found by the shoemaker was not the merchant's. Rather, it belongs to somebody else. Therefore, it will stay under protection until the real owner is found. The miserly merchant regretted his actions, but it was too late. This reminds us one of the Prophet's Hadiths. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He who doesn't thank people does not thank God either." I hope you like this story. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.